Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I'd like to talk to you about an eyeshadow palette that I recently got in my Black Friday haul. It is by Melt Cosmetics and it is the Gemini palette. Mary from Glitzy Fritzy, I'll link her channel down below. I'm sure you all know who she is. She is just an absolutely wonderful YouTuber and I just adore her. She told me about this palette and said that I would like it, so I looked and I went ahead and got it during the Black Friday sales. And here are the shades that are in this palette. You have half that are more neutral and this half right here that is more cool tone, and this is the side that was kind of drawn to me. I wanted to play with these shadows, these colors right here. So you have a total of 10 shades, 8 mattes and 2 metallics. This shade, this golden peachy shade right here, and this olive shade. Oh, it's what I have on my lid. And I'll show you how I came up with this look later in this video. And I think I'm going to do another look because I kind of want to play with this side. So I'm going to do 2 looks in one palette. You know, the first look is with the green side, the olive side, and then I'll do one with this. This costs $58. You're getting 10 shades in here. So for $58, it comes out to be $5.80 per shade, which is not bad. And for me, these shades are very unique, especially, like I said, this shade right here. Sorry about the mirror, but this side right here. So here's what the palette looks like from the outside. A real pretty design of roses and the name Gemini Melt Cosmetics on the front. And here's what the back looks like. And here are the shades up close. I'm going to swatch these for you on my arm. And let me tell you that the mattes, they weren't very creamy on my finger, but they blended out very well. And the metallics, they just glided on, so they did swatch very nicely. The first shade is Luna, Gemini, Lorelei, Polka Dot, Cupcake, Bonnie, Leo, Goals, Fire Og, and Moki. It's in kind of like a cardboard packaging, and when you open it up, it does have a magnetic closure. And you open it up and it has a mirror and these 10 beautiful, unique shades for me. Alright, I'm going to show you how I came up with this look, and I'll see you on the other side. First, I will prime my eyes with the Benefit Stay Don't Stray. I'm going to set my primer with the first shade right here, Luna. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade Luna again, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Just kind of build it up a little bit in my crease and above my crease. Yeah, there is a lot of kick up. I don't know if you can see all that powder there. Using the same brush, which is the Sigma E40, I'm going to go in with this last shade here called Mocha and put that, use that as my transition shade. Yeah, again, there's a lot of powder kick up. And I'm going to keep building this shade up and concentrate this in my crease and slightly above. You know, this is a pretty color. I like this kind of mustardy shade. Now going in with the Sigma E25 brush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Fire Hog, and put that in my crease and just kind of deepen that up. And I'm going to take that all the way to the inside. And I'm going to tilt my head back so I can see where the placement of the shadow is. Because with my aging eyes, you know, it's kind of sagging and all that good stuff that goes with it. Going in with the first brush with no product on it and just kind of blend out the harsh lines. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this metallic shade Goals with a Z. And I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to place that on my lid. Oh, I can't wait to see what this shade looks like on my lid. Oh, yep, that is nice. You know, just for fun, I want to see how it applies with a flat shader brush. So going in with Goals again, I just want to see how this shade will work with this brush. And you know what? I see cat hair. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, it applies very nicely with a flat shader brush too. Now I'm going to use the Sigma E45. It's a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Leo. Just kind of deepen it up a little bit and see how that would work. And place that in the outer corner. And also kind of bring it in too. Then going in with the first shade, Luna, and just kind of blend everything out up there on the top. All right, how does that look? Did I mess up this look? Is it too dark for me? Is it even? Should I put a little black in the outer corner? Let's use the black. Let's see how pigmented this black is. This one right here, Bonnie. Let's try that. I'm gonna use a small brush. I'm going with the Sigma E36. It's a small blending brush, but I just wanna, just kind of see how this will look. More cat hair. Okay. Yeah, tap, tap, tap the brush. And then just concentrate this in the outer corner of my eye. Yeah, that is very pigmented. Wow, just a little tap is all you need. Woo! Yeah, just a little bit of the black shade Bonnie is all you need. But I think that deepened up the look a little bit. All right, let me clean up underneath my eyes. And there is some fallout of the metallic shade. Just a little, not that much. Just a few glitter right here and right here. All right, let me clean up, put the rest of my makeup on, do my hair, and I'll be right back. And here's the finished look, as you can see from the beginning of the video. But it's a really pretty look. I kind of like it. Let me come up a little closer so you can see it better. All right, there you go. And I hope they turned out even. I mean, yeah. But you can see that it doesn't look muddy at all. You can see the different shades that I used. Probably this side I should have blended out a little bit more, but hey, it's really pretty. I love the colors. They're very pigmented. They blended out very well, very nicely. Yeah, this look turned out very nice. I kind of like it. The shades, they blended out very well. Like I said, it doesn't look muddy on my eyelids. And usually cool tones don't work well for me, but this one does. And let me show you what I put underneath my eye. I went ahead with these three right here. First went off with Mochi, Fire Og, and Leo. Oh, sorry about the mirror here. Let me do this again. I put Mochi, Fire Og, and Leo. These three that I put in my crease, I went ahead and put that underneath my eye. And of course did the rest of my makeup. And I kind of like this look. It's very unique, but different for me. All right, now I'm going to do another look for you guys and we'll go from there. All right, we're going to try a different look today. We're going to use this side of the palette, and I already primed and set my eyes using the Benefit Stay On Stray, and I set it with this shade right here, the first one, Luna. And I'm going to use the first shade, Luna, and use it as my transition shade using the Sigma E40 brush. We'll go in with that. This is more my skin tone, but I kind of like it because you can still see the gradient effect with it. Yeah, I do like it. And you could build it up to intensify the shade, which I kind of need to for my skin tone. And using the same brush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Lorelei or Lorelei. But it's the third one in. And I'm going to put that over Luna, but just a little bit lower. This is a real pretty light mustard shade on my skin tone. I like it. Great transition shade. Then I'm going to clean the brush and go in with the first shade, Luna, and just kind of, soften the lines here on the top. Then using the Sigma E25, I'm going to go in with this warm brown right here, polka dot, and I'm going to put that in my crease slightly lower than Lorelei. And then going with the first brush with no product on it and just kind of soften the lines. Now let's go in with this metallic shade, Gemini. It's a real pretty peachy gold kind of a hue. So I'm going to use my finger and place that on the lid. Oh wow, look at that. I'm going to deepen up the look and use this shade right here, Cupcake. It's a deep brown, and I'm going in with this tapered Sigma brush and just place that on my outer V. And what I like about this brush, it is tapered, so you can place the product, very cautiously in the outer corner so it doesn't get too deep. At least that's what works for me. And then going with the blending brush, again with lower light, just to soften the lines up at the top. And just go in with metallic shade just to kind of, you know, give it a little bit more pop because of all the blending I did. Just in the center. Alright, how does that look? I hope it looks even. You know, I do have to say that there is more fallout with this metallic shade than the green one. Yeah, there is more right here. Of course, this is just from my finger whenever, you know, because I use my fingers to place the metallic shades on my lid. But yeah, that was from that, but there is some fallout right there. Let me finish up my makeup, do my hair, and we will see how this looks. Alright, here is the finished look. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Alright, let me come up a little closer so you can kind of see how it looks on my lids. But it turned out real pretty. It didn't get muddy at all. You can see the different colors on my lid. The gradient effect, or radiant. Is it radiant or gradient? But anywho, yeah, I like this look. This palette is very unique for me as I don't have anything, you know, with the green side. I do have shades similar to the matte browns, but I don't have anything similar to the shade that I'm wearing right now, Gemini, or this shade right here, Lorelei. That's a real pretty mustardy shade. I'm glad I got this palette, and I looked on their website and all three of their palettes seems to be sold out. But I'm pretty sure that they will be restocking soon because there's another one that I'm looking at. It's called the 27 palette. Those look kind of nice too. I kind of like that one. But we'll see. That's going to be down the road from now because I've got, I don't know, like 300 palettes to use. You can make several looks with this. Even though there's just 2 color schemes, you can make several looks with this. They're very pigmented and they blend it out like a dream. It didn't get muddy on me, which is a plus. And the 2 metallic shades here, they are very, very unique. Let me bring it up closer again. Yeah, these 2 metallic shades are very unique. Now I want to say this, they do have a lot of kick up. But all you have to do is just tap the brush or blow on it. I mean, that does not bother me because, you know, I can just blow on it and everything's good to go. It may bother some people, which is fine, so I'm just showing you this, but it doesn't bother me. And I kind of wish this top flap could flip on back so it'd be easier to hold when I'm using this palette. But, you know, it is what it is. And also, it's kind of hard to open up. I'm going to show you up here kind of close, and I hope you can see that. But this is the bottom of the palette, and this is the top. And it doesn't have that extra lip, so you can kind of grab it. I hope you can see that. You can kind of grab it to open it up. So this is the top side right here. So it's kind of hard to open up. I don't know, that's just me. So even though it's hard to open up and you can't flip the lid over and there is some kick up, that's not going to stop me from enjoying using this palette because I really do like the uniqueness of the shades and they blend it out very nicely. Again, not muddy at all. So yes, so thank you, Mary, for mentioning this. I'm really glad I got this palette and I will continue to use this. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of the Gemini palette by Melt Cosmetics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.